Is your Android screen flickering, flashing, or acting glitchy? Here's a quick guide to fix it step by step. Let's get your screen stable again. First, try a simple restart. Power your phone off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes a quick reboot clears temporary bugs. Next, check brightness settings. For that, launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Display. Turn auto brightness or adaptive brightness off. Manually set your brightness to a comfortable level and see if the flicker stops. Disable hardware overlays. For that, hit back. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option About Phone. Tap build number 7 times to enable developer option. Now back in settings, head over to the option Developer Options. Find Disable HW overlays and turn it on. This makes your phone use GPU rendering instead, which can stop flickering. If it's still flickering, check if an app is causing it. Press and hold the power button. Tap and hold power off until you see safe mode. Boot into safe mode. If the flicker stops, an app is the problem. Uninstall recently installed or suspicious apps one by one. Finally, make sure your phone's software is up to date. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. And that's it. These are some fixes for your Android device flickering screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.